In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an email effortlessly, ensuring you have a physical copy right at your fingertips whenever you need it. Whether you're printing important documents, memorable messages, or simply need a backup, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, let's start by opening the email that you want to print. This entails launching your preferred email client or web-based service. Once you have it open, navigate to your inbox or relevant folder and locate the specific email you wish to print. Double check to ensure you have the correct email selected, as printing the wrong one can be a frustrating and time-consuming mistake. After confirming, click to open it so it displays in full view on your screen. This way, all of the email's content, formatting, and any potential attachments are visible, laying the groundwork for a seamless printing process. Next, we'll move on to the printing interface. Now that the email is open, find the File option located in the top left corner of your screen. This will typically be in your email client's menu bar. Click on File, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select the Print option. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for a quicker navigation, simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This handy shortcut will automatically bring up the print dialog box. Once you have the print dialog open, you'll need to choose your printer and adjust your settings. This part of the process is crucial because it determines how your email is ultimately printed. In the print dialog, take a moment to review and select the printer you plan to use. Make sure it's powered on, connected properly, and has enough paper and ink to handle the task at hand. It's always a good idea to preview the email at this stage to ensure everything looks correct. You can also configure other print settings, like the number of copies you want or any specific page layouts. If you need to print in color, verify that your settings reflect that choice. By tailoring these options to your needs, you ensure the end result matches your expectations. Finally, when everything is in place, it's time to complete the process. With your printer and settings all set and good to go, locate and click the Print button in the dialog box. Once you hit print, your email will be sent to the printer, and then you just need to wait a moment while it works its magic. In a short amount of time, you'll have a freshly printed copy of your email in your hands. And there you have it. You've successfully printed your email, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and straightforward. Keep these steps in mind for future reference. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!